In a bowl, add your eggs and then whisk them for a good 5 to 10 minutes until they double in size. Then I'm gonna add my caramel. I'm using the canned caramel from the shops, and I'm gonna whisk everything again one more time. You want the mixture to really double up. This is what's gonna give it a big fluffy lift and raise in the oven. Then we're gonna add some sifted flour and mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Make sure you don't overmix the mixture. Take your ramekins and use butter around. You can also use a cooking spray. And then we're going to add some flour inside to make sure that the cake does not stick to the ramekin. And just coat it around from all the sides, and then pour your caramel mixture in the middle. And then add a teaspoon of peanut butter and teaspoon of Nutella. And then we're going to top it up with more caramel on top. Now this is extremely overindulgent cake, but I love it. So just pour that in, and we're going to bake this, depending on your oven, for about 15 minutes or so at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. When the cakes are done, gently flip them around, add some icing sugar. You can see beautiful golden color. And I'm going to add more chocolate on top because there's not enough chocolate, some berries for healthiness, and some fresh mint. You can also add some vanilla ice cream or cream, whatever you prefer. When you slice into each cake, you can see that the peanut butter and chocolate oozes out with this beautiful caramel